Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the first video for exercise 4.5. We are going to use these new formulas over here, the formulas of sum of geometric sequences. So when r is greater than 1, we are going to use this formula. If r is less than 1, we are going to use this formula. And if n equals infinity, that means that we have to find the sum of an infinite geometric sequence that has no end. Then we are going to use this formula. So the question number 1 is, let's write it, 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus up to 11 terms. Okay. So we have a1 is equals to 16. Let's see what do we need for this formula. Okay, first of all, let's find r. R is equals to a2 by a1. A2 is 16, a1 is 16, so 16 by 16, it is equals to 1. So r is equals to 1, and there is no formula for r equals to 1, so we can use any of these two. But we can see that if r is equals to 1, then 1 minus 1 equals 0, and this whole sum is equals to infinity because it is equals to 0. So when r is equals to 1, it cannot let's write the formula first. Sn is equals to a1 into r raised to the power n minus 1 whole divided by r minus 1. So it is equals to a1 into r raised to the power n minus 1 whole divided by 1 minus 1, which is equals to a1 into r raised to the power n minus 1 whole divided by 0. So it is equals to infinity. Okay. The next one is 75 plus 15 plus 3 plus up till 10 terms. Let's write the question over here. Second question is 75 plus 15 plus 3 plus up to 10 terms. Okay. A1 is equals to 75, A2 is equals to 15, R is equals to 15 by 75, which is equals to 1 by 5. So this is R, we have A1, and we have N, which is equals to 10. So now we can use the formula. It is lesser than 1. So when a value is lesser than 1, we are going to use this formula. So Sn is equals to, Sn is 10 is equals to A1 into 1 minus R raised to the power N whole divided by 1 minus R. So it is equals to a1 is 75 into 1 minus r raised to the power n. So 1 by 5 raised to the power 10 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 5. Okay, we can easily solve it using the calculator. 5 raised to the power 10 minus 1 whole divided by 5 raised to the power 9. So this is the answer for question number 2. Oops, I've done this wrong. It is going to be equal to, solve this all up, and our answer will be 93.74, and that is the answer for this question. Then we have to solve question number 3, which is a1 is equals to 5, r is equals to 3, and n is equals to 12. Now let's solve it. Sn is equals to S3 is equals to r is greater than 1. So we are going to use this formula. A1 is 5 into r raised to the power n minus 1. So 3 raised to the power 12 minus 1 whole divided by r minus 1 is 3 minus 1, which is 2. So this is equals to 5 by 2, which is 2.5 into 2.5 into 3 raised to the power 12 minus 1. 3 raised to the power 12 minus 1, which is 1328600. 1328600. So this is our answer of question number 3. Now is the turn of question number 4, which is a1 is equals to 256, r is equals to 0.75, and n is equals to 9. R is less than 1, so we are going to use this formula. N is 9 is equals to a1 into 1 minus r raised to the power n whole divided by 1 minus r. It is equals to a1 is 256 into 1 minus r is 0.75 whole raised to the power n is 9 whole divided by 1 minus 0.75. So this is equals to 256. After solving it, its answer is 947 0.11. Oops, I did not change the marker color, but it's okay. Let's solve question number 5 with the different color. It is A1 is equals to 7, R is equals to 2, and N is equals to 14. This time R is greater than 1. Let's solve it. Sn is equals to a1 into r raised to the power n minus 1 whole divided by r minus 1. So this is equals to a1 is 7 into r is 2 raised to the power 14 minus 1 whole divided by r minus 1 is 2 minus 1, which is equals to 7 by 1, 7 into 2 raised to the power 14 minus 1, which is 114681. So this is the answer of question number 5. Now let's solve question number 6, which is A1 is equals to 12, A5 is equals to 972, and R is equals to minus 3. Now we clearly know that n is equals to 5, so we are going to write it over here. N is equals to 5. Now r is less than 1, so we are going to use this formula as n is equals to a1 into 1 minus r raised to the power n whole divided by 1 minus r, which is equals to 12 into 1 minus r raised to the power n minus 3 raised to the power 5 whole divided by 1 minus r is minus 3. So it is equals to 1 plus 3, which is 4, 4 and 12. 12 by 4 is 3 into 1 plus 3 raised to the power 5. I wrote plus because this one is 1 minus. Now this is a negative sign with an odd power, so it will always be positive. So that's why I've written plus over here. Now whole it is equals to 732. Now it's the turn of question number 7, which is a1 is equals to 16, r is equals to minus 1 by 2, and n equals 10. Okay. Now r is less than 1. Again the same formula. Sn is equals to a1 into 1 minus r raised to the power n whole divided by 1 minus r, which is equals to 16 into 1 minus r is minus 1 by 2, and n is 10 whole divided by 1 minus r is minus 1 by 2. So it is equals to 16 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 2. Now this 2 comes over here and it multiplies with 16, so it is equals to 32 into 2 raised to the power 10 minus 1 whole divided by 2 raised to the power 10 and whole divided by 3. So it is equals to 10.656 is the answer of question number 7. Now we are going to solve question number 8 over here. A1 is equals to 243, R is equals to minus 2 by 3, and N is equals to 5. Okay. R is lesser than 1. Again, the same formula. Sn is equals to A1 into 1 minus R raised to the power N whole divided by 1 minus R. It is equals to 243 into 1 minus minus 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 5 whole divided by 1 minus minus 2 by 3. It is equals to, let's solve it all on the calculator. And this is equal to 165. Question number 9 is A1 is equals to 343, A4 is equals to minus 1, and R is equals to minus 1 by 7. So N is equals to 4 and R is lesser than 1. Again the same formula. Sn is equals to A1 into 1 minus R raised to the power N whole divided by 1 minus R. It is equals to A1 is 343 into 1 minus R is minus 1 by 7 whole raised to the power N is 4 whole divided by 1 minus minus 1 by 4. We have 343 into 1 minus 1 by 7 raised to the power 4 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4. So 5 by 4. Let's solve it on the calculator. 274.28. Now we have to solve question number 10, the last question of this group of questions. So a3 is equals to 3 by 4, a6 is equals to 3 by 32, and n is equals to 6. Oops, n is equals to 6. Okay, we have to find r and a1. So r is equals to a6. Okay, first let's find okay, it's not going to happen this way. A1, a3 is equals to a1 r squared. So a3 is 3 by 4 is equals to a1 r squared. Here it is a6 is equals to a1 r raised to the power 5. A6 is 3 by 32 is equals to a1 r raised to the power 5. Now let's divide both of these. So we have 3 by 4, sorry, 3 by 32 whole divided by 3 by 4, it is equals to a1 r raised to the power 5 whole divided by a1 r square. A1 cancels with a1. Now we have 3 by 32 and 3 by 4. 3 cancels with 3. 4 ones are 4 and 4 8s are 32. Right? Now it is going to be r raised to the power 5 minus 2 is 3 is equals to 1 by 8. It is equals to 1 by 2 cube. So r is equals to 1 by 2. Now the value of r is 1 by 2. Now I'm gonna erase all of this so that we can solve and find its sum. Okay. Now we have r. Okay, we have to find a1. So a3 is equals to a1 r squared. It is equals to 3 by 4 is equals to a1 into r is 1 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4 is equals to a1 into 1 by 4. 4 cancels with 4, so a1 is equals to 3. Now I'm also going to write this information over here and erase the solution. Okay. Now S is equals to Sn is equals to R is lesser than 1. Again the same formula. A1 into 1 minus R is to the power n whole divided by 1 minus R. It is equals to A1 is 3 into 1 minus R is to the power n. 1 by 2 whole raised to the power 6 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, and 3 by 1 by 2 is 3 into 2, which is 6 into 1 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 6. It is equals to 5.9. So this is our result of question number 10, and here it is the end of this video. Thank you so much.